Hello, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. I'm continuing with my research into dead trees in nature and geopathic zones or energies that can be very detrimental to anything living. So I found another dead tree. Yeah, this one over here is completely dead again. We have a kind of an interesting little creek or river going along this area. If you remember, on my last video I found a huge dead tree in the same park, because right now I'm in the same reserve or park, and that dead tree is all the way down there. That's where I found that dead tree. There is two more dead trees right here. And for some reason the dead trees are sort of a line in one single direction. So I'm just walking along that line to see if I can find anything related to why these trees are dying. So going back to this tree over here, there is also a power line in the back. Later on I'm gonna try to get into researching electromagnetic fields and their influence on trees, people, for example. Sometimes in the proximity of power lines we can have very toxic effects on people and trees, for example. So I don't know, as soon as I can get my hand on very specialized devices, I'll be doing some measurements along these power lines. It's very quiet today, except for birds singing, possibly crows. Yeah, this park is really beautiful, peaceful. It recharges your internal batteries. I love it. Well, in regards to this tree, there is a possibility that these power lines being so close to these trees, I don't know, maybe this is something related to electromagnetic fields. Then again, if we look around, there is plenty of healthy trees, so I'm not so sure about this one. I think that tree in particular is just related to some kind of a geopathic zone or energy right under this tree. It's pretty obvious that it's not related to lack of water because we got plenty of it here. So this has got to be something else. And again, this tree over here is pretty much aligned with those two dead trees right in front of me. And like I told you guys before, if we go over those trees right in front of me, we'll find that dead tree that I talked about on one of my last videos. So it's possible that sometimes geopathic energies follow a specific direction, and sometimes trees and obviously people get affected in a very negative way by these geopathic energies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.